fine. No, it's okay. So since you guys decided to leave me just one day, both of you together, it's cool. Okay, now what am I going to do? What is it I'm going to do? Okay, fine. You guys were telling me you were going to take care of me. You guys are the only people in this world that actually really took good care of me. Now, okay, how about your promises? Like, how about everything? Like, what am I supposed to do? Who is going to tell me when to take my pills and everything? And you guys are just lying here. Like, how do you guys feel about this? Now, the lawyer said you had a letter for me. Why don't you just tell me before? Why are you writing a letter? Why are you guys writing letters? It's fine. I'm here to read it to your ears. If you guys can actually see, if you guys are here, maybe you guys are spirit or something, you guys can actually see me. You guys can actually see how broken I am right now. You guys can actually see that. It's okay. It's gone. No, nothing is coming back to you. It's gone. Okay, it's fine. Oh my God. To our dearest daughter, Angel. If you are reading this, it means we are no longer with you. Writing this letter was the hardest thing we ever had to do because it meant preparing for a world where we wouldn't get to watch you grow, laugh, cry, or dream anymore. Yeah, no. After my brother is hungry. I don't know, say you there here already. I'll come inside now.
Oh yeah.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ọmọ oró mi?
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ blẹ̀jẹ̀.
Ó ṣàmọ̀, òkèrè mélòó ló fẹ́?
Fún mi 2 grams.
Ó ṣàmọ̀, ó wà ń bẹ̀.
This thing no complete, bro. Where your scale?
Bó ṣe wà ní ṣé fẹ́ máa fún ẹ lófo ni wo jẹ́ ìṣó láìkì ẹ̀ ní ọmọ orúkọ lọ.
Alari! Wàá ṣó lórí burúkú nìwọ ni.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n kí ló kàn mí ń tajà mi ni kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú yìí ń tajà yín gbà mí.
Alari, I don tell you say if you get match. So dey smoke, you dey mad.
Na no smoke, na normal ewé bẹ̀rẹ̀.
Tó gbà mọ́ ni ọmọ ìyá mi.
O fẹ́ kú ṣá. Bàbá olórí burúkú ni ẹ ló já wèrè ṣá.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi scratch ó gbà.
Fún mi ní gbọ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀.
Gbọ́ ọwọ́ mi àṣà ẹ̀gbọ́n kò fún mi gbò. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló gba nǹkan ẹ̀ kò fún mi gbò. No, no go for no be say I even want take the whole rap.
Wà lọ ra abẹ́rẹ́ àti sandin fún mi.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n, I no get net. Lè rán ọkàn mo ìwà yìí. I no get net, ẹ̀gbọ́n. I no fit go anywhere. Synergy.
Alari, ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ ni mo jẹ́ o, máa change ẹ̀ fún ọ. Kí ló ṣe ẹ́? Lọ ra abẹ́rẹ́ àti sandin wá fún mi.
Ẹ ṣọkẹ́ sí mi.
Yóò lọ́kẹ̀ ṣe lọ́kẹ̀ lówó.
Ẹ lọ́kẹ̀.
Yóò lọ́kẹ̀.
Mo gbé sọ pé lọ́kẹ̀. Mo ẹ lè lọ́kẹ̀ o. Àgbọn ẹ lè lọ́kẹ̀.
Owó ni màá fi ra gbóòdù àṣọ ló ṣì ní ẹ ni.
Ẹ lè lọ́kẹ̀ o. Okay, so you can just give me 4 of that. Mama.
Hey. No, please.
Shebi I don't see and I will say I take it. I don't take part this one.
No. Please return it.
Asa, I won't buy any. I won't steal any.
Where's the money?
Money, I go give you. Shey na today, I go give you now. Who should be say?
No. Please return it. I don't want it.
Shey, I don't buy credits for you before.
The last one, ko.
I no pay.
After 6 months.
I
I not do.
Okay,
Please
calm
pay.
down.
Oh, yeah, just pay this one. Pay this one. It's okay.
I pay this one. Yeah, I go give you.
No, I'll call people.
What call people? Where I call people? Shout now. Shout. Me, I follow you with blows. Stella. Go away. Yeah, my Joe. I don't take her. Turn now. Come and collect her. Turn. Follow me, dragon now. Have you seen it?
Thank you.
Yeah.
One, 2, 1, 3, 4. Oh, big guy, Omo. Which kind of life person they live like this? Actually, o ti gbé wá bẹ́ẹ̀. Wá, kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́? Gbé kíní wá, how lè ń ṣe báyìí náà?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni máa fẹ̀yìn gbá ni.
Jabred, kasa jẹ kọta máa jẹ. Omo, after this child like this, we dey go train you. Kí ló ṣe ẹ́?
There's a get malaria that time.
Omo.
Malaria.
Wow, farabalẹ̀, ṣebí you go faint if you wan faint now.
I'm not jump by faint.
Jẹ́ n bá ẹja.
Mama worry.
Ẹ̀yà jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ gé tèmi náà fara burúkú balẹ̀.
Ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ and I wan go fire. I'm very fojú we now. Which all this thing wey they do.
Who dey coach you?
They coach me. Who they coach me?
No be dey coach you dey mad.
No be my brother. You no coach me. Gba me break my back for outside.
God forbid bad thing. Oya wa gba ilé bẹ́ẹ̀.
Jọ kan ṣáná.
Irú Sandy wo ló lọ rà? Iye ló ń pé mẹ́ta mọ́, mo ti sọ fún ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀ náà, wọ́n máa ra ilé ìwà náà.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ṣé mi mò ń kà á sínú ẹ̀ ní ṣọ́ mi say no risk theory.
You need to dey respect me o.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n I dey try go, I no dey give me time, I dey try.
You are sorry. Ojú kan tí mo sọ fún ẹ, méjì ló wà ní ilé ìsìn.
Ẹ̀ṣọ́ òróró ẹ̀ síbi ẹ̀ máa mú òróró ẹ̀.
Ìyá mú màá fẹ́ lóore mi á jẹ ẹja.
Ẹ̀ mú òróró gbà yẹn.
Ìyá gba ilé ìwé.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ mú òróró yẹn sẹ́ ẹ má wọrí. Máa ń ṣe wọn.
Ó yà dùn ọ́ lọ.
Ẹ ti mú òróró bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ fún mi lẹ́ja méjì.
Irọ́ orí ẹ ló yí, ó yẹ kó gbèjẹ ni, ó yà touch am.
Alari!
I like the way you fight today. Nice fighting. Ó ti yé ẹ, mo like bóyá ṣe but o kì í guide.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ dá fún yín ẹ̀gbọ́n. Which kind level be that now?
Mo fẹ́ sọ pé o guide.
Àṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ wá fún mi ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dá fún yín.
Alari, I'm your elder brother o.
Àwọn ọmọ live story jàre, I think say you wan come for me.
I dey coach you how you go take dey guide me. Oh, guide ẹ̀rọ alẹ́ ni now.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ pàgbé coach o.
Oya.
I don calm bro. No lose your tooth, coach. Respect.
Could be fast now.
I will
What are you
give
packing?
I will give you.
Are
Sorry,
you
ma.
packing?
Sorry. I will give you.
Since
And
to
text.
buy, how is bad issue? I don't like all
Sorry,
this.
man. Sorry.
Oya kò sí wàhálà, ṣó yọ̀ today's this thing báyìí, mo fẹ́ kọ́ ẹ. O bóyá mo like bóyá máa ń nawọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀. But your leg has a day back. Ó ti yí ẹ. Wo bí jọ kí wo kan tí mo ń bá.
Ẹgbẹ́ orí kan tí mo rí ni, follow me look am. How this girl you dey do me like this?
Just 1.5.
1.15, right?
1,500.
Oh yeah, 1.5.
Fuck.
Kò sí ọ̀kan like ọmọ méjì Ọlọ́run dáyàn.
Àìlè kọjá méje lè ju mẹ́jọ lọ. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ rí ni easy am now.
Mo reason am wá
Get
farabalẹ̀.
something wey you no dey tell me.
I know they hide anything from you. You know my sister na I want to clap for you.
Fuck, like the girl
Yeah,
is
like
sending
fuck
me.
pé ó jọ
Yeah,
ẹ.
wetin stop?
Nothing sup na.
But say something dey wey you no dey tell me ni.
Nothing dey wa no dey. Wá o rí gan ni. Wá o jẹ ní ẹni ló sì gan. Move it.
Ẹjọ́ kò fẹ́ jà. Ó fẹ́ pa yìí. Don't you tell me? Ogun wa kill you. Wetin dey let me ask you wetin dey happen for me?
Alari farabalẹ̀.
Wetin dey talk?
Alari.
Bro! Wetin be that wey you no dey tell me?
Alari farabalẹ̀.
Wetin be dey tell me? Follow me talk. Follow me talk, bro.
Alari. See I know say wetin happen today, it pass your head. Na why you misbehave. But make I just explain, give you.
I feel correct something.
Correct.
Who talks I misbehave? In my mind, between God and man, you know say you deserve am. Because they keep something for me where I know say they keep.
Don't be my fault. Our parents don't already make me promise say I no go ever mention them to you because now something will go break your heart. And I'm just keeping to that promise.
Yeah, tell me what is up. Not like give me, tell me straight.
Alari, you be twins. Yes. And at the age of 5, your sister be run come out for house.
So, what do they try tell me by here you were? Say that girl with me I see. When I talk, say this thing looks somehow. So that my twin sister be that girl.
Yes. My your twin sister be that.
You thought say she will come off. Why you no find her? Why una no find her?
Alari, we find her.
Why you no go see her? Where you find her and go?
Alari, we don't know. Alari, we find them everywhere. I find them. I no see them.
But that one no be even the worst part now. You know about those people who can carry her too.
How would I have known about that? I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Then we sharply did something. I way forward me at the rook like this. How everything go take August. Ejemia. Those people carry Kala, I see her. I dey fear. Maybe sort down. Now I cram their number for head. Number wey dey the back of their motor.
You cram their plate number for head.
Asap, I know they waste time. You know say me I sharp go.
Okay.
Wetin we fit do with the number now? When we look for person wey fit hack. Sabi anybody wey fit hack, may help us hack am, may help us check am.
Okay. I know one boy. And a Yahoo boy, but a better hacker.
Egbo, make we go.
Hey, relax now. We got time. Don't go. Let it be tomorrow. Make we arrange everything.
Asa, Egbo, Omo. Now you do that. Now they tell you say you don't find her. You don't find her again. You don't find her. Egbo, you don't find her. You beat that person. You don't find her.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
That Yahoo boy wey dey that. Shey that one wey dey for that estate. I ain't the talk. If you like, sit down for here. Make night come. Make money come. Do what you like. You be bad person. You be bad person. You wicked go.
Alari, oh yeah, wait, go enter bike at least. Alari, farabalẹ̀. Alari, make I follow and talk first. Omoru Alpha. See Alpha, Omoru, we need your help, come. There was on the street say you be hacker.
Forget word on the street. Waiting is on the right. You come inside my this, you can't write this. You won't make an end up now.
Wow, go on.
You know what? Word on the street.
That's how you be. Go on, you are the right something. They follow me, Jackman. They follow me, Jackman. Which kind of level be that one?
Waiting me, pen. Who they follow you, drag pen? Oga, who you be? You come inside my office, come there, right? Waiting you right. Waiting you.
Wait, see, look me. I be like person where you want no.
Me, I don't fear you. Yeah. Who be this one? Give me the pen. Give me the pen. Oh yeah, give me pen. Wait till you go do now. I don't collect the pen. Do your worst.
She confused.
What did they do? You go very bad again. What? So you come here, go follow you today. As you come here, you come follow you five. First, she no go for it. I bet they do this one. Okay, give me the pen.
So what's here, man? You don't understand. Hey, how are you now? How is family?
Good afternoon.
Sharp.
Good afternoon.
So we need your help and you go help us. What's here? Toro kan ṣe bí wèrè látẹ̀ǹkan à ń bá ìyá ẹ̀ sọ òun ṣe bí olóṣì. Ṣó ti yẹ ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ń sìn. So right now, we wan make you help us trace this. Swobi oríjà ẹ̀ yìí ni. We wan make you help us trace this number. Shey you understand? Na car plate number. You go trace am for us. You go tell us where the car go, the location of the car right now. Yes sir, wọ́n náà pè fún kíá.
Mama don't pay me, say me can.
Okay, for wetin your mama tell you, make your mama no cry over you.
Wọ́n náà pè fún dáhùn náà.
Call the account number.
Àlàyé.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n kí lẹ mí ìbá mi àkọ́nà. May we start for here.
Oh yeah, what you do?
No, you want me to start for here. Which one say? Oh yeah, I pay Egbon. Corner. I don't get into our conflict. Corner.
My mama tell me say this work where they make I stop am.
Alari funny consi.
Wetin your mama tell you? Your mama no dey bro look me. My heart no really good. May you call this thing for you, may you do your job. God will bless you.
AKT.
Na here you go look my bro. No dey misbehave.
AKT 412L. Answer me now, wetin dey sup now?
Make I see you first. Make I see you now.
Papa Egbon wait na Korean drama una come act for here. Egbon dey come use dem dey come.
I no follow you talk.
Why you gonna tell say why dey go close to am? Na wetin you come do for here?
Oh yeah, you said.
Oya kiss am na kiss am. God do wetin you go do make you answer me. You dey carry mouth come you wan kiss am.
You understand say no be 2 minutes passport. It go take time 24 hours before I fit give you guys.
Oga that 24 hours bro that 24 hours you don kpai 6 foot. I promise you do this thing make dem no cry over you. I dey beg you.
Wetin you say you need?
Everything. Abi wetin we need?
You calm down now. Okon ginger, let him pass around now.
Ọlọ́run talk.
Alpha, where the car go last? Now you we need right now. Where the car dey presently? You dey hear say I dey follow you talk.
Wetin una give me this plate number no be for car na for boat o.
Don etí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kan sí fún mi. Don etí ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kan sí fún mi Alari, o wetin waste time.
Bro say make I kill you for here. Wait stop! Stop!
Na the car be this. Na the car be
And can't be this.
Na the car be this. Farabalẹ̀. What? Alari! So, yeah! Don't even think about it. Hey! If you move a muzzle, I will kill this guy right here. What the fuck? Come on! Move it! I'm moving. Move! Alari! Come on, move it! Alari!
I beg now. You dey okay? My sister, maybe they go out now. Sit. What is up? Should be this one.
Angel, you were not born to us by blood. You were born to a woman in deep poverty. She gave birth to a set of twins she could not afford to raise both, and we could not conceive. So we took you in, not just into our home, but into our hearts. And from the moment on, you were all will always be our daughter. But there's more, and this part we write through tears. You always had that fragile bit. We always knew the day might come when we would need a heart transplant, and your blood type, my love, is rare. Almost impossible to find a match. That is why we are telling you this now. You have a twin, your blood match, your second half. She's out there somewhere, living her own life, and finding her may not only give you answers, it might just save your life.
What's up? Oh yeah, wait till now what can do now? Wait what's up? Man. Me won't dey damu since all these days they look for you, since all these hours of the day where I think I don't see my sister. Where I think say maybe I struggle, maybe I bring you come house, maybe we gather day. But they tell me say you run away, say maybe I come find you, maybe we bond. No, oh yeah, let's go stop now. Oh yeah, as he reach now, oh yeah, I change my house now, I come out. Change my house, walk, me wanna answer me now. Change me one key now. Right?